Alright guys, it's Friday night and I am going out to this club called Lavo with some friends, and this is like gonna be my first clubbing experience since like New Year's, I think. So that's 6 months ago. Everyone's gonna be fully vaccinated, so there's not gonna be masks involved. They're checking everyone's vaccination card before going in, and I thought I'd film a little get ready with me video. So let's do this. First thing I do is put on primer. Let's do this. Alright, primer done. Oh, I forgot. We should do like a before and after. So this is before. Got nothing on other than primer and lip balm. Now we're moving on to foundation. To be honest, I don't usually use foundation that much. I usually just use BB cream or honestly just sunscreen. I'm using Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. As you can see, I have a very tiny bottle because that's how little I use it. Alright, does that make a difference? I don't know. Every time I put on foundation, I'm just like, did anything really happen? And now I'm putting on this under eye corrector. It's kind of like a concealer. I'm using this thing. It's from Becca. It's just called Under Eye Brightening Corrector. And I'm just using a little bit. Ooh, okay, I do think that looks brighter. I am doing a little bit of contouring, and I'm just using the, what is it, X-rated shade, just as like a shadow thing. Okay. Ooh. So, I literally have not changed my eyebrow routine in years. I'm using this very simple Maybelline. I don't even know what this is. I think this is supposed to be eyeliner actually. And I don't know what that says in the back because I got this in Japan, and so that's all Japanese. Just use the brush. See how dented and used up that is? That's how good this product is. I also don't usually do my eyebrows that much. I feel like this is getting into like me just talking about how I don't usually do makeup. My eyebrows, as you can see, this is my natural eyebrow right now. I have nothing on. It's already pretty thick thanks to my mama. She gave me amazing eyebrows, so I don't really need to do them. But I kind of just extend it a little bit when I do them. And then maybe add a little bit in the front. I think the trick with eyebrows is that you only fill in parts that you're missing. Don't overfill the parts that you already have. In my case, it's like my eyebrow's mostly full, so if I do it too much, then it's like I look like very angry. And next up, we're gonna do my eyeshadows, and I'm using Tom Ford Eye Color Quad on number 3 Cocoa Mirage. I'm gonna be using this color first. Can you see? Okay, I'm trying to do it so you guys can see it too. Next, I'm gonna go in with this color. For the center of my eye, I like to do something bright. I like a white colorish. Using this here. Just to brighten things up. Mascara. I'm using this ELF waterproof mascara. Nowadays, I pretty much only use waterproof mascara because mascara is a risky thing. I feel like it makes and breaks a look, but it's also the most fragile item. Ooh. Damn. Oh, I kind of wish I had some like color contacts right now. And then for blush, I am going with NARS and the shade of Deep Throat. Put it like here on the side of my face because I don't have a long face, so if you have a longer face, put it like here in the center, right under your eye. But if you have a shorter face like me, put it on the side. That's just a rule of thumb that I've been using my whole life. Maybe I'll try this one. Beeper. I think that's the shade's name. Beeper. Color Pop. Anyways. Ooh, I actually kind of like this. I was afraid I would be too like matte and like nude, but it's okay. God damn, I really look like ABG. This is not a usual look for me, but I'm gonna manifest it. And this is the final look. Excuse my room, it's very messy, but just wanted to show you guys. Ta-da! Alright.
Turn the music up, turn the lights down, I'm in my zone.
Yay! Oof! Wait, I think they accidentally sent me 2. Let me just check really quick to make sure that I didn't actually order 2. It says 1 order, so I guess I have 2 skateboards now. This is so weird. This is the first time that's ever happened to me. And it's skateboards. 2 of them. Texting my friend who I'm actually skating with on Saturday that my skateboard came, and they sent me 2. Do a trick. So I am teaching Cassie how to skate today, and she has a penny board, which is a little harder to skate on, and I think we're gonna switch boards. I'm gonna let her ride my long board, and then she can ride, and I'm gonna ride her penny board, but I just need her to get her butt over here. You can do it. All your weight lands on this foot, the left foot. So the back foot is kind of just like there for support and kicking. That's it. So your balance should be on your left side. What are you afraid of? You're doing so well. Huh? You're doing so well. That is where I used to work. I hated that job. Also, we ran into the Van Gogh exhibit. It's like an immersion thing. I've heard from several friends that it's actually really bad. Have you been to this thing? I heard it's really bad. It's not good.
Yeah, it's just like a
It's not worth it.
power slideshow.
Yeah.
His photos.
It's just projection.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
But
it's
with like classical
music.
music.
Yeah. I read this thing about how like they changed art museums, like how art museums works. Like everything's based off of like social media now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They have those interactive museums now.
Yeah.
All
It's
the
like
rage.
everything is designed for social media. Like if it looks good on social media, they'll exhibit it. Instead of like if it's a good piece of art. So
It's for like like basically photo booths, but in
Yeah.
a museum form.
yeah. So this is that. This is the product
What
of.
if I skate like this instead?
You could go ahead.
I think it'll be easier on the longboard.
You want to try? So we're planned shopping again at Dahi, and these are, what are these called?
Palladium?
Palladiums. They're only $10, so me and Cassie are fighting over which one to get.
I needed to see if it's easy to care for because I don't want to kill it.
You will. You have to trust yourself and like believe in yourself.
Okay, but the last time I got a plan without researching it, I closed it. Because it kept getting pests and I didn't want to deal with it, so I just let it die.
You don't. That's not good plant parenting.
Humidity is crucial.
Spray it. Spray every day. I spray my monstera every day.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just went in and paid for my plan. Ta-da-da-da. I'm gonna have to skateboard this home. And
It's not like you live far though.
I still have like 3 blocks though. If you give it the right care, it's gonna grow into whatever you want it to grow into. So it's actually more up to you than.
So should I get this?